In this video, I will show you how to transfer playlists from YouTube to Spotify. So in order to do that, head over right here to your transfer playlist or tunemymusic.com. Click on this Let's Start and then choose in here your source. So choose in your YouTube and then you can load from your YouTube account if you want. Now it will prompt you to sign in, so make sure to sign in using your YouTube account in order to add it right here. So just choose your channel, then click on continue, and then from there this will load. Now it will load all your playlists, so just choose in here your playlist that you want. So for example, I'll head over and add this YTTV right here. Click on this choose destination. Then after that, let's choose in here this Spotify. Click on this start transfer, and then it will transfer our tracks right here. So let's head over right here to our Spotify, and as you can see, it's been added right